So to finish up our GPath XML examples, let's look at one final example. Say we wanted to get all of the nodes based on a certain condition. So let's say that we want to get all of the games with a review score greater than 90. Let's have a look at an example of how we would write that. So once again, we'll be writing a new test. And we'll call it get all nodes based on a condition. So again, we're going to call our endpoints as a string. Just copy that in. Now we're going to specify the review score that we want. So let's say a review score of 90. So now we want a list of all of our nodes, and we'll call it all video games over certain score. And then again, we write our XPath, so XPath from response as string. And then we write our actual expression. So our expression is going to be get video games, get single video game, or get each of the video game nodes, and then do find all, because we're finding multiple video games. And then we'll say for each video game the review score, and we'll convert it into a float. I found that GPath needs to have it as a float in order for the expression to work. And we want the value of the review score to be greater than or equal to, and then we can add in here our variable for the review score, and we need to add in another concatenation to add in the close bracket for the expression. Close up those brackets there. So this should find a list of all games with a review score over 90. Let's just print them all out for now. So this might print out a lot of data, but we'll have a look and we'll run it once more in debug mode just to check. I got my greater than or equal to the wrong way around there, so let's just correct that and try that again. And this time the test passes and it's printing out all of the nodes of games with a review score greater than 90. Let's just have a quick look at it in debug mode. It's a bit easier to see the data in that mode. So we have 5 games in our array list. And these are all of the games with a review score greater than 90. It's being held in this class somewhere. I can't remember exactly where. Here we go. It's inside this node list, review score 93, etc. So that's a very, very useful way of capturing certain data based on a criteria. I hope that was useful, and I hope these XML examples have been useful. Obviously, there are many unlimited numbers of ways that you can write this, but hopefully this has given you some sort of idea of the power of GPath XML and how you can use it to extract data from your API response. So I hope that was useful, and I'll see you in the next lecture.